Are you searching for best plasma cutting machine? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best plasma cutting machine in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, ANDELI Cut 50 Plasma Cutting Machine, brand name, ANDELI, model number, Cut 50, sold, 113, reviews, 31, rating, 5.0. Plasma cutting is a process that utilizes an electrically conductive gas, usually compressed air, to transfer energy from a power supply to a conductive material. The ANDELI Cut 50 is likely a compact and portable plasma cutting machine designed for light to medium-duty cutting tasks. The Cut 50 is likely designed to cut through various types of conductive metals such as steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and others. The maximum cutting capacity will depend on the specific model and power rating. As a portable machine, the Cut 50 should be relatively lightweight and compact, making it easier to transport and maneuver in different work environments. Number 2, HZXVOGEN HVC 6000 Pro Plasma Cutter Welders, brand name, HZXVOGEN, model number, HVC 6000 Pro, sold, 41, reviews, 17, rating, 5.0, features, HZXVOGEN HC 6000 Pro Plasma Cutter equipped with built-in air compressor, do not need to install air compressor regulator. You literally just need your plasma cutter and a power source to start cutting. This makes doing jobs out in the field incredibly easy. Output data 15-40 DC output, 0.3 inch, 6 to 8 mm, ideal clean cut, and 0.6, 12 to 15 mm, maximum severance cut under 220V. HVC 6000 Pro Plasma Cutter have gas delay function. It will bring even cuts, little deformation, and little slag. Do not need to grind too much after cutting. The 2 air filters of HVC 6000 Pro Plasma Cutter are to make the compressor air clean, keep dust outside the machine, and reduce noise. Most of the plasma cutter equipped air filter inside the machine, but ours are external, which protect electronic components being damaged by high temperature. Most of plasma cutters are equipped with rocker switch, which can withstand lower current and does not have leakage protection. Our plasma cutter came with high power air switch, which can withstand higher current and power off automatically when short circuit or leakage to protect you, machine, and your power system. Number 3, HITBOX HBC 5500 Plasma Cutter Cutting Machine, brand name, HITBOX, model number, HBC 5500, sold, 95, reviews, 29, rating, 4.6, HITBOX 55 Plasma Cutter HBC 5500 Air Inverter 230V Digital Portable Plasma Cutter with LCD display up to 21 mm cutting capacity. New generation HBC 5500 Plasma Cutting Machine, you can cut mild steel with household power supply. You can easily cut it at home, easy to operate, with the torch holding the torch. You can cut it by simply touching the material, so it is safe for beginners. Preparation before starting. This product does not have a compressor, so please prepare an air compressor with 1 horsepower or higher. Connect the air hose to the cutter and compressor. Adjust the air pressure to 0.4 MPa while deflating the air. Turn on the power and adjust the output current according to the thickness of the material. The air pressure range of 100V is 3.0 to 3.5 MPa, 200V is 4.0 to 4.5 MPa. If you use a household power supply, you may run out of capacity if you remove the power from a single breaker. Number 4, ANDELI Cut 50 PROX Plasma Cutter, brand name, ANDELI, model number, Cut 50 PROX, sold, 16, reviews, 6, rating, 5.0, a real breakthrough design across eras, built-in air compressor. This plasma cutter can cut without an air compressor. All you need is a plasma cutter, no need to carry a heavy air compressor while you work, making your job super easy. Plasma cutter 15-50 DC output 63/64 maximum cutting thickness under 220V. The arc starting of the low-frequency plasma cutting machine is easier, which greatly reduces the electromagnetic interference generated by the high frequency and high voltage discharge, and improves the reliability. It is widely used in automatic places with strict requirements on electromagnetic interference. Number 5, new LGK40 Plasma Cutting Machine, machine model, LGK40 Cut 50 Plasma Cutting Machine, sold, 45, reviews, 5, rating, 5.0, special offer plasma cutting machine LGK40 Cut 50, 220V plasma cutter with PT31 free welding accessories, high quality new. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and stay with us.